Welcome to the world of Believe It or Not. Party popper, get ready to explore the weird, the wild, and the downright unbelievable. From incredible animal heroes to mind-boggling human feats, each story will leave you amazed and questioning reality. Whether it's jaw-dropping facts or astonishing tales from around the globe, we've got it all right here. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to stay updated on the latest astonishing discoveries and unbelievable stories. Join us as we dive into the extraordinary world of Believe It or Not. Globe sparkles. 1. The scientist who invented a deadly weapon and regretted it, Alfred Nobel, a Swedish chemist and engineer, is best known for inventing dynamite in 1867, a safer alternative to nitroglycerin. Although his invention was intended for use in construction and mining, it was quickly adapted for military purposes, leading to death and destruction. Nobel was horrified when a premature obituary labeled him the Merchant of Death. To change his legacy, he established the Nobel Prizes, using his fortune to reward achievements in peace, science, literature, and medicine. Believe it or not, the man behind one of history's deadliest inventions is now remembered for his contributions to world peace and scientific advancement. 2. The immortal jellyfish. There is a species of jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, often called the immortal jellyfish, because of its unique ability to revert its cells back to their earliest form and start its life cycle anew. When faced with injury, environmental stress, or aging, this jellyfish can transform back into a polyp, essentially starting its life over. This process, known as transdifferentiation, allows the jellyfish to bypass death, effectively making it biologically immortal. Believe it or not, this tiny creature could hold the secret to eternal youth, making it one of nature's most fascinating organisms. 3. The scientist who drank bacteria to prove a point. In 1984, Australian Dr. Barry Marshall was convinced that stomach ulcers were caused by bacteria, specifically Helicobacter pylori, rather than stress or spicy food, as was commonly believed. To prove his theory, Marshall drank a petri dish full of the bacteria. Within days, he developed severe gastritis, confirming his hypothesis. He then cured himself with antibiotics. This bold experiment revolutionized the understanding and treatment of stomach ulcers. Believe it or not, Marshall's self-experimentation earned him and his colleague Robin Warren the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 2005. 4. The mysterious music from the stars. In the 1970s, NASA's Voyager spacecraft captured an eerie phenomenon, the sound of interstellar space. These sounds are actually electromagnetic vibrations emitted by planets, stars, and other cosmic bodies, translated into audible frequencies by NASA scientists. The haunting, otherworldly noises, sometimes resembling singing, whistling, or humming, are unique to each planet. Believe it or not, the sounds of space have been described as cosmic music, offering a haunting glimpse into the universe's symphony that is usually beyond our perception. 5. The bacteria that eat metal. Deep in the Pacific Ocean, near hydrothermal vents, scientists discovered a type of bacteria known as Desulfurudes audaxviata that feeds on iron and other metals. These extremophiles thrive in conditions that would be deadly to most life forms, including high temperatures, extreme pressure, and complete darkness. Remarkably, these bacteria use a process called chemosynthesis, extracting energy from chemical reactions involving metals and hydrogen sulfide, rather than from sunlight. Believe it or not, these metal-eating microbes have inspired research into bioremediation and could one day help clean up toxic waste or even mine metals for industrial use.